sugar. This is my talent to cook, haha. Let's cut the end of the chicken. With the chicken, let's cut it in three so it looks good. If you like this when I cut it, watch it. Wash the chicken in salt. Wipe chicken in catcha. For the marinade to absorb into the chicken and for it to taste good. These are the ingredients: pepper leaves and white sugar and whole black pepper and soy sauce and white vinegar and onion garlic. 1/4 cup soy sauce. Mix it to spread the flavor of the marinade on the chicken.
One-quarter cup white vinegar.
7 pieces pepper leaves. 2 teaspoon whole black pepper. 2 teaspoon white sugar. Mix it to spread the flavor of the marinade on the chicken. Add 1% onion and cut it into cubes. Add 2 teaspoon garlic cut in cubes. Add 1½ cup water. When the chicken is in the pan, put the water in there. Low fire. My friend called me, haha, I am done cooking. Super delicious. Thank you for watching.